What's up, you guys? This is Blessed by Nika. I'm Nika. I do hair, nails, and makeup. Today I'm coming to you guys with a makeup look, and I hope I don't sound too bad or too off because I'm trying to catch a cold, and I'm apologizing in advance. I've been breaking out like crap, y'all. So disregard. Anyway, I think I'm finna open up these lashes right here that I purchased from Amazon, and I already opened them, but I haven't used any of them. I want to see how they look. That's why I opened them or whatever. So yeah, and so I'm gonna go ahead and cut them to my desired length, cut the extra off or whatever. And I know my hair looks super duper crazy, you guys, but I'm gonna go for a natural look today, and I'm gonna do something natural to my hair as well. But I'm gonna do that off camera. I'm gonna stay off camera to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. The first two moisturizers you see me use are moisturizers that are doctor prescribed. On this one, you can purchase. I got this at my Ipsy bag, if I'm not mistaken. It has green tea in it, and so I'm just gonna put it right up in here. That's the only place I want to put it because like my forehead isn't bad off. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the brows. top with foundation. Well, I don't have to, just I want to because I want it to be the same color I went over. I'm gonna blend everything out with my fluffy brush, and I'm gonna also go right behind it with some center pie. Kind of set everything in place. Bend it over in place with eyeshadow on. Too much because my brow's supposed to be sisters, not twins. So now we're gonna go in with some primer. I'm using the Beauty Creations Poreless Face Primer. It is affordable and it only costs like I think $7 or $8. So get into it, sweetheart. What made me try them out is because someone who follows me and someone I follow on Instagram was using the products and was talking about how good their products were. So I was like, why not? And I tried their setting spray and their primer. And I have their setting spray. That is what I use sometimes to wet my sponge with whenever I'm doing a makeup look. I wet my sponge with that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my color corrector and so one step color corrector, skin tone corrector, and brightening primer. And I'm halfway, y'all. So you know I love it because I be using the heck out of it. But anyway, we'll go in with this. It's gonna leave the skin with like a slight white cast, but don't be scared or nervous about it. That's how it's supposed to look. Now we're gonna go in with the portion of this makeup. I'm gonna grab a blending brush and I'm gonna grab my brush cleaner because like I wanna go in with a nude look. I have not done this before. Well, I've done nude looks before, but I'm saying I've never done it with these colors before. I'm gonna go in with the first palette, which is this palette. I'm gonna use this color over here. This color is called Ember. We're gonna use Ember, and we're gonna blend it in my outer corners over here. Dip my blending brush in there, and like I said, we're gonna go right here and blend in. I'm not very good with blending. I'm just trying to keep practicing or whatever because I feel like that's the way to go. That's the only way you're going to be able to do things that you can't do is if you continue to practice. Because not practicing doesn't do you or anyone else any good. Sitting back complaining. Alright. I'm going to do the same thing to the side. I'm gonna put this palette to the side. I might have to come back to Ember, so I'll just put it to the side for a second and go to this palette. And with this palette, I'm gonna use, this is how you pronounce it, where it's at. Use this color right here, and this is the palette. And so I'm gonna clean it off with my brush cleaner. gonna get my brush I use to pack color on with. I'm gonna get a flat brush like this to pack the color on. It's really pretty. It's real subtle and basic, but it's really pretty. I like that. I want to do a wing, but I don't want to mess this look up, y'all. Because I feel like if I do a wing, it's going to mess everything up. I'm going to do a wing anyway. We're going to do a wing anyway. Sis, I think that is very freaking cute. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get my mascara for my top lashes. I use this so much and the words on the bit, but I know it by heart. This is the Big Papa Wet n Wild. I love her because I love how that wand is made for my top lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead with my lash glue and go ahead and put some lash glue on my lashes. If y'all didn't get enough footage on this look, I'm sorry, because my camera was not filming when I thought it was. It died the first go around, so I put it up to Georgia. Then while I was talking to you later, the camera went out by itself while it was on the Georgia. I have a love-hate relationship with this camera, and I'm not sick of it or whatever. It's a good camera overall because it does have good quality, but my old camera was better when it came to me recording because it did not turn off until I was done or whatever. The only way it would turn off, it was like if it was dying. That's the only way it would turn off, or if the storage got full. Then yes, it would stop recording. But this one stops recording. Even when the storage is not full, even when it's not dead, it just stops. It stops itself from recording or whatever. Sometimes it will turn all the way off, and sometimes it won't. Either way it go, I hate that it does that, and I'm gonna try to find out why it does that and call the company, because now it's starting to freaking get on my freaking nerves or whatever. And another thing that it does that I do not like is that freezing. Like it will have you thinking that it's recording, but it don't froze where the time isn't moving, it's not doing anything, it's not even recording, it's just sitting there or whatever, letting you think it's recording. It's not. But this camera can only hold up to 32 gigabytes of storage. My old camera can hold up to 128 gigabytes of storage. That I totally loved about it. And then my old camera was very affordable. It was like $50. That's all I paid for my old camera. Then it came with a flip cam for me to be able to see if my camera was recording or not, and not me having to figure out. It makes me regret that I purchased it, because like I'm having so many problems with it that I didn't have my own camera. And like I said, the only reason that I even purchased it is because of the fact that it has so many better qualities than my old one. When I zoom in with my old camera, it would shake, like the picture itself, or whatever, not the camera itself, but when you replay the footage, the picture, that you will see it shaking, like it having a shaking effect. And I would not be putting that effect up there. It's doing it on its own, and I would not know until after I've recorded it or whatever, because me looking at that little screen, I couldn't tell that it was doing that shaking effect, because I could have stopped the camera and restarted everything to make sure it stopped what it was doing. But that's one reason I wanted a new camera. The second reason I wanted a new camera is because both batteries had got very weak, where they wouldn't even stay up to part. Like if I charge the batteries right now, they would last 20 minutes, and they did. So if I ever wanted to do a vlog for you guys, I couldn't do it because that camera wouldn't let me do it, because the batteries would stay up to part. This one, it will. Like I could do a vlog with you guys if I wanted to with this camera, and that's the reason. That's another reason why I purchased it, because I wanted to do a makeup haul with y'all one day when y'all go with me, where I take you guys to the store, so I can show you guys what type of stuff that I look for, I pick up, and all that good stuff when I go. Anyway, if you didn't know, I'm gonna tell you, I'm in my pajamas. This is my nightgown. I got some pajama pants on, and I decided I'd do my makeup or whatever to make me feel better or whatever. So before I run to the store and do some quick errands, and then yeah. So I will be back to close out this video when I put my clothes on. So just give me a second, you guys. Hey you guys, I'm back. Yeah, this is the final look I'm doing. I'm gonna do my hair in a different hairstyle sometime another. I don't know when. I'm gonna do that or whatever, so y'all guys can see that. Yeah, this is it, you guys. And I want to go ahead and thank you guys for coming to the channel. Thank you guys for rocking with me. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, just thank you guys for your support. As usual, I've officially been blessed by Nika, and I hope you guys have a fantastic and wonderful, blessed week. Until I see you guys again, bye. Mwah.